What if whenever you wanted to ask a question or query data, your BI tool was really smart about where you were and what was going on? Well, I discovered a tool and it's really cool. You can actually query based on your phone's current location. So if you have stores or inventory in different places, or you just have maintenance tasks you need to get done in different places, you can see it all on a map, see who it's assigned to, and even do calculations on it in just a couple seconds. Let me show you how it works. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure I have all this data in somewhere like a Google Sheet. So here I have latitude and longitude, the number of complaints, the store staffing level, and the name of each restaurant. Now I'm going to open up Zing Data, which I got for free at zingdata.com. I'm going to select the database type that I have. I connect it, and I'm good to go. Now, all I'm going to do is go find that data source. Under the Sources tab, it's at the bottom. Here it's called Store Locations. I'm going to tap and hold Store Latitude. And I'm also going to say that I want the name of the stores and maybe the staffing level, but I only want to look at the stores that don't have enough staffing. So for instance, all the stores that have less than 100% of the staffing that they need. Now, I only want to see the stores that are next to me, and I'm going to want to see their sales. So I sum sales, and I say that I want to turn on a filter by location to only show stores within 5 miles of my phone's current location. Zing runs this and shows me the results on a map. I can tap on any of these and I see the name of the store, and in this case, the calculation I had, which was the sum of sales. Now, maybe I want a little bit more information, so I just hit the back button and I'm gonna go see maybe how many complaints I have. So I'm gonna sum those, and how many to-go orders I have for each store. And they'll help me understand if I have enough staffing for each. I'm gonna tap on each icon here, and I can go see all the metrics for each of those stores. So I'm able to query, see it all on a map, and do it all from any live data set with Zing Data. Last thing I'm gonna do is save my question so that I can put it on dashboard and share it with my colleagues. I'm just gonna call this stores with incomplete staffing, hit OK, and then go to the home screen. And I'm gonna tap plus next to the dashboards to create a new dashboard, and I just drag the question that I created up to that dashboard. I could drag other questions there too, and then I just save it at the top, and I could easily share it with my colleagues or come back to it later. It's available at zingdata.com.